Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your MetroPCS bill, online and phone payment options step by step clearly. First, make sure you have your MetroPCS phone number and your payment method ready, such as a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Check that your internet connection is stable if you plan to pay online. If you want to pay online, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Type MetroPCS.com in the address bar and press Enter. Look for the sign-in option and tap or click it. Enter your Metro by T-Mobile login details, or choose to create an account if you do not have one yet. After signing in, find the Billing or Payments section on your account dashboard. Select the option that says Make a Payment or Pay Bill. Confirm the amount due and the due date so you know exactly what you are paying. Choose your payment method, such as card or bank transfer, depending on what is available on your account. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code if paying by card. If paying by bank account, enter the routing number and account number exactly as shown on your checks or bank app. Double-check all numbers before you continue to avoid a failed payment. Select the date of payment, either today or a scheduled date if that option is offered. Review the total payment amount one more time on the confirmation screen. Click Submit, Pay Now, or Confirm Payment to complete the transaction. Wait for the success message and do not close the page while it is processing. Save a screenshot or note the confirmation number for your records. Check your email or text messages for a payment receipt if notifications are enabled. If you prefer to pay by phone, open the phone app on your MetroPCS device or any phone you can use. Call MetroPCS customer service or the automated payment line shown on the official Metro by T-Mobile website. Follow the voice prompts and choose the option for making a payment. When asked, enter your MetroPCS phone number and any verification details requested. Choose the payment method and enter your card or bank details using the keypad when prompted. Listen carefully to the payment amount and confirm that it matches what you expect. Approve the payment and wait for the system to confirm it was successful. Write down the confirmation number the automated system provides at the end of the call. If you run into issues, ask to speak to a representative and request help verifying your account and payment status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.